Pisces. This is a Pisces reading. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Pisces? Alright? Before we start, I just wanna announce our mid-year sale para sa ating mga crystals. Lahat ng mga crystals from the Enlightened Guide. We have here the black tourmaline for grounding and protection, the Madagascar rose quartz for attraction of love and to balance your heart chakra, and also kung nagmamanifest ka ng abundance, naghahabol ka ba ng pera until yung goal mo for for 2024, I recommend you the Brazilian citrine bracelet from the regular price of 2,500. Ito na lang ay 1,999 pesos. Pre-order to. Pwede na kayong mag-order ngayon hanggang July 15. Fresh from orasyon from the Enlightened Guide. Kaya pre-order to. But if you get the crystals earlier than the 15, i-ship ko kaagad. PM nyo lang ako kung paano ka magkaroon ng blessed and ritualized na crystals na to. Alright. Justice card. You're thinking of doing the right thing, kung may mga legal actions na kailangan gawin, okay? You're trying to manifest something, but parang nagkakaroon ng disappointment on your side. But sabi mo, sige, kung hindi yun ang nangyari, meron ka mga gagawing legal actions or to do things right now, okay? May masculine energy dito na medyo may pagka-playful, right? Kung na-involve man sa iba tong masculine na to, is I feel doon tumatakbo yung energy of doing things right. And kung may mga legal actions, I don't know, may kasal ba, divorce, or court case, whatever. Nagkaroon ng sadness at parang sunod-sunod na pain. That's why nagkaroon ng holding back of offer of love sa connection na to. Nagdala ng disagreements, chismis, okay? At parang nagpapakiramdaman kung ano na talaga ang totoo at kung ano ang nangyayari dito. Meron bang mga hindi alam? Meron bang mga itinatago pa? Alright? I feel nagkaroon ng third party situation here. Maraming mga kasinungalingan na nangyari na nagdala ng overthinking. And you feel right now, Pisces, na parang hindi ka makakawala sa situation na to at nagdadala sa'yo ng overthinking. The Wheel of Fortune is in reverse. I feel, no, sa simula, akala mo magiging blessing sa'yo itong relationship na to. But nagkaroon ng like disappointment, okay? Because of rush decisions, mga decision or actions or communication na hindi masyadong napag-isipan na nag-lead to bad decisions or bad situations na meron ka right now, okay? At kung ano man to, I feel na natatamaan din, no, yung swerte or yung fortune or yung pentacles mo, yung pera. Okay? Woo! Judgment, you're making the right decision about this kasal or very stable connection that you feel na nakatali ka. And may energy din dito na parang willing ka ba talagang kumawala na dito sa Hierophant na to, dito sa kasal, dito sa traditional relationship na to. Sabi mo kasi you're doing the right thing. Ano ba yung right thing na yan, Pisces? Okay? I feel the masculine here is trying to be strong at nagfo-focus sa work right now. Marami ding learnings dito because sabi nung Pisces here is sabi ng masculine here is parang ang daming kailangan pa rin matutunan. Okay? Kaya nagfo-focus na muna sa love. There's a feeling of being overwhelmed here. The reason for the reading is victory. Maraming minanifest na victory here. Nag-umpisa na maganda. Merong mga transformation na kailangan mangyari sa connection na to. May mga bagay na dapat iniwanan na in the past. Toxic connections, toxic relationships. Mga connections na dapat matagal mo nang iniwanan years back. Pero parang nahihirapan ka kasi sabi mo is parang nandun pa rin yung love mo for this connection or for this person na nagdala ng sobrang overthinking sa'yo lately. Okay? So, meron kang prayers and manifestations. Lord, ano ba talaga yung dapat gawin dito? Kasi right now, parang nasa fork in the road ka. Nahihirapan ka to really decide. Kasi sabi mo is, hindi naman din ganon kadali for you to decide. This is like a back and forth energy. Kasi parang nare-realize mo na mahalaga sa'yo tong connection na to. but wala na rin namang patutunguhan, wala nang harvest time, or wala na rin naman ikaw ina-expect na magandang balita or magandang outcome sa connection na to. Right now, Pisces, you have the energy of like you're trying to weigh things. Ano na ba talaga yung dapat gawin sa relationship na to, alright? Ayaw mo na rin namang mag-invest. Sabi mo is parang wala na rin namang dahilan para magbigay ka pa ng investment sa connection na to. So, what's holding you back, Pisces? Pag-usapan natin yan. Alright, your person is like, nire-rebuild din niya yung sarili niya, marami siyang inaayos. Sabi niya is nagpo-focus din siya sa self-love. Sobra-sobra ding nagbigay yung person mo sa connection na to. So I feel nagkaroon ng malaking misunderstanding here kasi feeling ng person mo, ubos na rin yung pasensya at pag-unawa niya, no, sa connection na to. Doon nahihirapan pa rin, your partner feels stuck in this connection, pero sabi niya, sige, your person is patiently waiting kung ano ba talaga yung maaaring mangyari dito sa connection na to. Medyo may pagka-dreamy pa rin ang Pisces, no? Sabi mo is gusto mo pa rin yung wish fulfillment mo. Ano ba ang wish fulfillment ng mga Pisces? Ano ba talaga yung gusto mong mangyari? Ano ba yung nasa isip mo? Is that really doable? Or are you just being dreamy about the situation? Based ba yan sa reality? After all the facts? After all what had happened? Doable ba talaga? Okay? Nalulungkot ka kasi ang dami mong naging pangarap pero hindi yon yung nag-manifest. Alright? So, in the next 3 months, I feel there is a Queen of Cups energy here. Nandun pa rin yung Cup of Love. But, iniisip, no? Medyo mabagal yung pag-offer here na this is the sigurista energy kung gaano pa ba katama. Because, gusto lang naman ng victory and truth sa situation. So probably meron kayong mga dapat pag-usapan kung saan ba talaga patungo ang relasyon na to. Okay? I feel this connection is going towards stability naman. At magfo-focus ka rin sa kung ano yung mga kaya mong i-build. Okay? Let's see, anong meron para sa mga Pisces? Any more clarifications about the outcome? Okay, I feel hindi nyo naman malalet go ang isa't isa agad-agad. Alright? Or babalik, mag-uusap, magre-reconnect. But, nandun pa rin yung energy sa'yo, Pisces, na ang hirap for you na kumawala sa situation na to. But, this is your free will. I feel meron ditong death card, no? The energy of may mga connections at opportunities na dumating sa'yo na matagal mo na dapat ni-let go, but you're still holding on to it. Sabi mo is, may pagka-dreamy ka, no, na parang wish fulfillment mo to. But is it really a wish fulfillment? Or parang hindi mo lang nakikita ang reality sa situation, alright? For your grounding and balance of your emotions, I recommend you the Black Tourmaline to manifest harmonious relationship and to balance your heart chakra, the Rose Quartz, at para makabawi, no, ma-manifest mo yung mga financial goals, the Brazilian citrine, alright? Sale tayo ngayon from today until the 15th of July from 2,500, 1,999 pesos na lang. Pre-order to. Ang shipping natin would be on the 15th sa lahat ng mga order na yan. Pero yung mga mauunang mag-order, unahin natin i-ship. Fresh from orasyon lahat to, alright? And that would be the Pisces reading for the month. For this month. For your personal reading, can you send me a direct message? Bye-bye, Pisces!